morning from Estonia. My name is Belu Akim Kolade. I was a student of the University of Tartu, and I graduated 2 years ago. So I did my master's degree there. So I just woke up this morning and I realized that okay, now we are in the new year and new admission process is about to start, or probably it has already started. And I realized that when I check my DMs, my emails, and I am on Naraland, and a lot of people used to send me messages. But the issue was that I am very busy, and I don't have the time to reply people. And I thought of it that okay, because a lot of people would think that it's a deliberate decision not to reply people when they try to contact you to ask you questions about how they can go about the admission in Estonia. So I felt like okay, probably I should be making a YouTube video so that I can share the link and everyone that need the information can find it there. Now I want to say this. I must apologize that I am not a conventional YouTuber. In fact, I really don't know all this YouTuber professional stuff. No, but I'm going to be doing the video how I could. But I think what will be most important is the information that you are going to get from me. So now this is it. The video I'm going to be making will majorly is going to be majorly this kind of video that will take us from the journey. From the journey, I will take us on a journey of how to go about our admission, processing in Estonian universities. I will start from the scratch, from the very scratch. But the way I'm going to be doing it, like I said, I'm not all this professional YouTuber, and so don't actually expect that from me. Basically, I don't know. Maybe I might improve, but my main purpose is that I'm going to take you on a journey of how to do your admission processes up until you get your visa to come to Estonia. Yeah. So then probably I could be doing videos on okay where it's possible to get visa, all those kind of things. But that is basically not the most important thing right now. The most important thing right now is how to start the journey of your admission process until they pick you. So which means that I'm going to be telling you using my own personal experiences, because I've gone through this stage before. Of course, a lot of things have changed over the years, but a lot of things are still the same. Then I'm going to be giving you the updates about some things that might have changed. For example, where it is possible to get visa, because when I came to Estonia in 2016, I got my visa to India, and from India, Estonian embassy in India, New Delhi, I got my visa to Estonia. But now a lot of people are passing through Dubai, Abu Dhabi, United Arab Emirates. Some people are passing through Turkey, some people are passing through Egypt, and all the likes. But because of the pandemic, a lot of things have changed. But of course, there is usually a way. The situation is not the same with everybody. Some people maybe by other means might have access to travel to maybe UK or something, and they might go there to get their own visa because there's Estonian embassy in UK. Some people are already in India, and it is easy for them, so they can still go to Estonian embassy in New Delhi to get their visa. So the situation will be based on individual actually, but For the people that are in Nigeria, I think that currently now, what people are doing now, the way they are getting their visa now, that is kind of suddenly popular from late last year, is Abu Dhabi. I'll be giving you some information about the way I did my own. You understand? And anyone that there is updates there, then I'm going to try to give you the updates that okay, this is not possible again, and this is what is possible. Then I will also be asking questions around. I'll be asking around from people that just came, some of the things they do. So I'm going to disseminate the information to you. So and another reason why I'm doing this is because it has been happening. Yeah, like I will give you an example of myself. I don't know anybody in Estonia before I came, but I have some people. I have my own elder brother that lives in Finland. He was the one that really helped me with some information because I don't know anything about Europe basically prior to the time I was coming. I was trying to go to Finland first. I was part of the last set of people that went to Ghana to do this UCAS exam then that takes people into what is Vasa University of Applied Science and Ayoki University of Applied Science and other University of Applied Sciences in Finland. So I was part of it. So I've started the journey of trying to come to this part of Europe, Finland mainly, from 2013. So, but my brother just told me, because my brother was in Finland then, so he just told me, I heard about Estonia. So that was how I did the Estonian journey. And the first year that I tried Estonia was when I got the admission and came to Estonia. You understand? So that is just how it is. So I don't have to pay him a dime. Then I want to appreciate one guy also that I met on Ireland because I apologize if my heart is looking somehow. I just woke up to this and I actually wanted to do this for people because this guy was in Estonia before he moved to Finland. So this guy called me all the way from Finland. He asked for my phone number. I gave it to him. He called me on his phone. He gave me a lot of information. I will never forget that thing in my life. I don't know him from anywhere. He called me with his credit all the way from Finland. I was in Nigeria then, so he called me and gave me some informations and everything. And he helped me throughout my journey. What I'm happy about now is that I've met him now. We are good friends now. I know his family. I know him. He has visited me before when I went to my brother's place in Finland. We've hung out before. Then I met one guy, Wilson, in Indian embassy in Nigeria. He walked me through how to get my, this authentication from Abuja and everything because he had done it before. I don't have to pay anything. I met quite a number of people that gave me a lot of valid information that helped me to get admission to come to Estonia. And by the way, of course, I was given admission to come and pay tuition, but my tuition was changed to free tuition eventually. So I didn't pay for my master's degree in Tartu University, so I studied for free for my 2 years eventually. So I thought that this admission process already will consume a lot of money. You understand? It will consume a lot of money. You spend nothing less than €1 million already. Now imagine when somebody is telling you to pay 400 euros or the equivalent before they can help you with admission. I want to try to help people how to start from the scratch. Now what I'm going to do is probably I should put it here in this video, but I don't want this video to be too long, maximum 15 minutes. So I'm going to be ending the video soon, but I'm going to be taking us from the journey. So first thing, if you want to pursue an academic in Estonia, you have to do two things first and foremost. In fact, three things first. First thing is you must have your international passport. That's the first thing. And the second thing is that you must do test of English. Anyone, based on the requirement they are asking for. When you visit www.estonia.dreamapply.com, then you can look out the courses you are interested in and the courses that you think that you fit to apply to. Then you are going to see the requirements in the information details. So you are going to see the requirement they are looking for. So then you know the type of English test you want to do. In my own time, I did IELTS, that one for the British Council, and I studied for just 2 weeks, and I had 6.5. And then for master's degree, it was 6.0, and for bachelor's degrees, it was I think 5.0 or 5.54. But I had 6.5. I got tuition free, like I told you. Those are the first two. Then the third one is that you have to go and register yourself on the that website I mentioned earlier. You have to go and register yourself. So when you have those three things ready, then you are now ready to start the journey of your admission to Estonia. But if you have not done all those three things first, then you are not ready yet. So if you want to go on this journey with me, that will be the first step you are going to take. That is 3 steps. First, you must have your international passport. Secondly, you must have your IELTS or any test of English that you prefer. Go do it. Then the third one is go and register yourself. Open an account on www.estonia.dreamapply.com. So then the journey starts. So in my subsequent video, I'm going to be telling you, okay, what I did, after getting those 3. So what next are you going to do? All the documents that are required, and some other stuffs that you will need. So I'm going to start from the very scratch up until when you finish your application and submit your application. Then how people could get visa to a country that has Estonian embassy, because there is no Estonian embassy in Nigeria. That is what the main problem is. So you have to go to a country that has Estonian embassy before you could be able to visit the embassy to apply for your visa. Yes, so I think that I should end it right now here. So if you are interested in this journey, you can subscribe and maybe click the notification bell in order to know when I post the subsequent video, which will actually mark the start of the journey. I will make sure that I go into detail so that you won't need any other assistance. But if you have questions that you want to know some things, you can drop a message in the comment section. So I will know exactly what I'm going to address in the next video. How you think that, okay, for a start, this is what you want. So I will look at all the comments and the questions. So that will be what I'm going to use to form the video. And don't mind my English. I'm a typical Ibadan man, so I like speaking Ibadan English. That was just a joke anyway. So yeah, let's start the journey together. I'm here to help as many people as possible if you are interested. So yeah.